You know, sometimes the best objects we own are not the most expensive. They're the most personal, not the ones we bought in a store, but the ones we built with our own hands. Today, I want to take you into a different mindset, a mindset of simplicity, of craft, of making something small that changes your space in a big way. Because if there's one thing that's always on our desk, always in our pocket, always in our lives, it's our phone. And yet, most of us never think about it. We just toss it on the table, lean it against a cup, or hold it in our hand while we're trying to focus on something else. It becomes clutter. It becomes a distraction, and it never feels intentional. But imagine this instead: a small piece of wood, cut with purpose, shaped by you, finished to match your space, and designed to hold the device you use every single day. No flashy plastics, no mass-produced Amazon junk, just real wood, real texture, real character. A wooden phone holder isn't just a project. It's a statement. It says, I care about the things around me. It says, I choose craft over convenience. It says, this little object was made by me, and it fits my life. And here's the beautiful part. You don't need a workshop to make one. You don't need expensive tools. You don't need years of experience. All you need is a small piece of wood, a saw or cutter, a little patience, and the desire to create something meaningful. Think about how many times a day you interact with your phone. When you wake up, when you work, when you cook, when you relax, when you go to sleep. Every moment, the phone is there. So why not give it a home that looks like it belongs? Why not give yourself a moment of calm when you glance at your desk? Why not turn an everyday object into something beautiful? And here's the secret that most people don't realize. Small projects like this are where creativity lives. You don't need to build a table to feel like a craftsperson. You don't need to design a full workshop to feel proud. Sometimes, the smallest designs carry the biggest satisfaction, because when you make something with your hands, you understand it, you touch it, you shape it. It becomes a reflection of you. So today, as you watch these designs, don't just see wood and angles. Look at possibilities. Look at what you can do with an hour, with a piece of scrap wood, with attention and intention. Look at how something simple can make your life more organized, your desk more beautiful, your mind more focused. This isn't just a project. It's the first step into a world of creativity, a reminder that you're capable of making things that matter. And it starts with one small block of wood.